Hey, Dan Passarelli here, wrapping up another great week of trading. And it's Friday. We get to relax a little bit and maybe even get in a little prep time over the weekend because you know what? Next week is a big week. Next week, we've got a Fed announcement on Wednesday. And then 2 days after that, we get the monthly unemployment number. Those are the two biggest things that traders watch. One comes about every 6 weeks, the other comes every month. They both happen to be in the same week this time around. Holy cow. So there's going to be some great opportunities for trading, and there's going to be some things that maybe we want to take a look at our investment portfolio and make sure that we're prepared for that. We have covered calls, cash secured puts on for the things that we want and have them off if we want to have them off. So take some time this weekend, relax, have a great one, maybe get in a little bit of prep time. And all that being said, I will see you on Monday. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.